Hi friends, welcome to Cooking with Mrs. Inarra for Thanksgiving this time. I'm so excited you joined me. Today we're going to be making nutty turkey snacks, all right? Okay, first, what's most important when we're cooking? Wash your hands. So either stop right now, go to the sink and wash your hands, or maybe you have alcohol gel just like I do right here. Get some in your hands and rub really good your palms, turn it around to the outside and in between your fingers, fingernails, because lots of dirt sometimes gets stuck there, and our thumbs. Ready to go. Okay, so I hope you have your ingredients ready. You need peanut butter, and here we have some ready here, peanut butter. You need pretzel sticks. You need chocolate chips, you need some raisins, some peanuts, and some soda crackers. All right, so I also have, which I didn't tell you, is a little scoop. You can also use a tablespoon to scoop the peanut butter out. So I have my soda cracker, and this is going to be used as the base for our nutty turkeys, okay? So what you do is you're going to scoop out peanut butter with the scoop, and you're gonna put it onto the cracker. And that's going to be the body of your turkey. Then you're gonna use the chocolate chips for the eyes of the turkey. So you're going to smush them in, one eye, and two eyes. There's the eyes of the turkey. Then we want the nose of the turkey. So your peanut, or whatever nut you're using, my peanut, you see here, I have just half of it. I'm going to put it here, right here, for the nose. Look there. Now turkeys have a goblet. You know that little thing that hangs on the turkey? That's called the goblet. Well, for that goblet, we're gonna use this raisin. It's gonna hang there. It's gonna look a little bit like the goblet hanging from under the nose of the turkey. It goes wiggle wobble, wiggle wobble. But then we need the back part of it. For it to look like a turkey, it kind of has to have a back part of it. So we're gonna get our pretzel sticks. I'm gonna put this down, and I'm gonna cut them in half. They're a little long. If you were able to find, maybe you didn't find sticks, sometimes there's the pretzel twists. You can put those around as well. But I couldn't find any twists, I just found the sticks. So you're gonna stick them on all over. It doesn't even have to be in any order. It doesn't have to be in a row. Can be in any order you want. Stick them in. I'll put them all over. I'm gonna put a lot of them. We're sticking it all in. This is gonna be like the feathers of the turkey. I'll do one more. And there you have it. Your nutty turkey snack. And now we can do some more, right? You can do as many as you want. One for you, of course, the cook always has to go first. And then make one for everybody in your family. I think they'll enjoy it. Our nutty turkey snack. Send me a picture of how yours turns out. I would love to see it. I hope you enjoy your nutty turkey snack, my friends. And I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. I miss and love you. Big hugs and kisses to you all. Bye, everyone.